Yeah, I think that'll work well. Hell yeah. Man, I tell you what, it's getting colder by the minute. And as I'm doing more service calls and more on the road calls, one of the things I need is a vise for my truck. And with the flatbed, I'm really not too sure how I want to mount the vise to the flatbed. Ideally, you know, a lot of tailgates have like a step down where you can mount the vise. I don't have that here, and I really don't want to be drilling into my aluminum bed yet. So one thing I thought that was cool is if I could make like a vise that's interchangeable, one that I can use when I need it, and not always have it out in weathered conditions. You know, I'm gonna be towing with this truck, so I don't want like a lot of obstacles when I'm towing. And I really like having a flat bed for me to work on. So I think I'm gonna try something. And I want you guys to tell me if this is cool or if this is dumb. But I'm gonna give it a shot. Alright guys, so the vise is all done. It's all mounted, welded, and bolted together. And I would say I like it. I think it's pretty neat. You know, it's nice that you can position the vise kind of like anywhere you want. You know, so if you want to swing it from one side to another, you can do so. Or if you want to bring it out farther from your bed, you can. So I think that's pretty nice. You know, you got the anvil here. I don't know. We'll see as time goes on how useful it is, but I like the height of where it is, because as I'm working from the bed, you know, if I need an extra hand, here's my hand. Just go right here. So I like right where it is, and if I'm towing or if I got to go somewhere, you know, all I got to do is pull the hitch out and just throw this in the back. So I think it's cool, but how about you guys tell me? Leave a comment and let me know. Do you think this is cool or is this dumb?